this?
So I just got the Walking Dead supply drop. It's $50 a month, but
So you get one of these a month?
no. Well, you pay $50 and you get one every 4 months, and they charge you before they ship it.
So that's a $200 box?
No, this is 50. I just paid 50 for this.
Oh. It's $50 every 4 months, not
Right.
$50 a month. Okay.
Yeah. My bad. Hey, this is for the finale of season 8. And
You haven't seen this?
nope. So I'm just taking this out. First thing that catches my mind is a Sasha Funko Pop.
Who in the hell's he?
You don't remember Sasha?
Oh, Sasha. I remember Sasha.
Um,
What happened to Sasha? Is she dead?
we got a, yeah, she died at the season 6 finale. Wait, no, not season 6 finale, season 7. So her death was quite recent.
Yeah.
It started all
so
out
I haven't
war,
seen
which
it
we're in the middle of
because
right now.
Carl just got bit last when I saw it.
Speaking of Carl, we got a
You got bit
authentic
again?
shirt relic. A piece of his shirt.
Oh. Authentic shirt relic. Yeah.
Yeah, and you can just sort of feel it.
Yeah. That's cool. Oh, I'll hold it.
Here, let Mom feel it.
Oh, sorry. Feel it.
Oh my God, we got Carl's chocolate pudding.
All right!
We got his pudding.
Who's?
His pudding from
Who?
season 4.
Who?
Carl's.
Oh, Carl. Oh,
This
Glenn.
is
That's Glenn's
for
hat.
Glenn's hat, yeah. And then a Carl cup.
Oh, they're kind
What,
of focusing on Carl here, aren't they?
Well, he is the one who just died.
Oh my God.
We got some dog tags.
All right.
Uh,
Whose are they?
that's what I'm about to find
Oh,
out.
hurry up. Come on.
Abraham.
Abraham.
Abraham's dog tags.
Everybody's dead so far.
We got our straw for the cup. The family farm, the green farm. Horseshoe's journal.
Oh, let me see it. Died before he wrote anything. You should keep the journal.
Nice Shiva shirt.
Hey, Shiva.
I'm definitely gonna wear this to school tomorrow. And then last but not least,
License plate.
a license plate.
We are 2 dead. We are what?
We are
The
TWD,
Walking.
The Walking Dead. Which is a line that Rick said in season 5, I believe. He said it a lot earlier in the comments.
You know you're walking dead.
In terms of the unboxing, that's it. Bye!